Well, good afternoon, my name is Leon Smith. I work at the Garage Blackburn, and today I'm going to show you how to do your tyre pressures.
Tariq TV Productions, in collaboration with the Garage Blackburn, presents how to check your car tyre pressure. Please note, this video is not sponsored.
Hello, welcome back, and thank you for tuning in. In today's episode, we are joined with Leon.
Hello.
Leon works at the garage in Blackburn, rated the top 3 garages in Blackburn. So, Leon, you're going to show us today how to check the tyre pressure on a car.
Yeah, that's right. First of all, if you want to check what PSI or M bar you're going to put in your tyres, usually on the inside of your door, have a passenger at the front, and it will show on the inside, it will say usually around 2.2 M bar. Depends on the vehicle really. If it's a bigger vehicle, it will be more.
Okay, so Leon, could you show us please, just like in the car, where the tyre pressure would be?
Yeah, it's going to be a bit tight, but usually it's going to be around there. In this vehicle, if you're carrying a full load, it is on the rears, it's going to be 3.2, and in the front 3.7. If you lower, it's going to be 2.2 in the front and 3.6 in the back. So that is between 35, that's around 35 PSI, and then a tiny bit more in the back.
Okay, so Leon, do you know with PSI, is PSI the most common measurement of tyre pressure?
I would say so, yes. Usually, because most garages, most machines, it usually comes up in PSI. Not many people will see the M bar. Usually on the machines like this, but you might have garages that we connect to our compressor, come up on either side, it will say PSI and bar on that side.
Okay, so for the audience, Leon, what is... So, for example, if something is 30 psi, what would that be as bar? Do you know?
That is around 2 bar.
Around 2 bar. And so, for this vehicle here, this X5, what is the tyre pressure for the front?
It is around 3.2 bar, so it's around 35 psi.
Okay, lovely. So this device here, this so you basically press the button, don't you, and then it comes up.
Yes. Yeah. So basically, this will connect onto your tyre valve, and this will press here. Yeah. This will let your air out.
Okay, fantastic. So could you show us, please, Leon, how you do this?
Yes. So very easily, take your dust cap off your tyre, and then just put it on.
Okay, so Leon's going to show us how to do it. So he's put that in, and then. So what is it currently reading?
It's at around 30 psi. So it's about hot. It needs to be put in a bit more in.
Okay, so I'll let you do that.
So that's spot on now.
Okay, so let's set that. Fantastic. So you've done that, and then you just take that off. It does come back then. Just back.
So as long as you screen wash, you should do it on your weekly checks of your oil and coolant. Obviously, just have a quick look and top it up. So obviously, it's our pouches of screen wash.
So this one, it's like adding Vimto, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where you add
a mixture.
Nice.
And dilute it.
So you then add water. Okay. Leon's now, he's added that, he's going to add some water there to top it up. That's great. So Leon, can we use water in this screen?
Can use
the screen wash?
But it's just squirting water on your screen. It's same as anything else when you're washing your car. Spraying it with water, it's still not going to get rid of the dust or the dirt.
Okay.
So on your windscreen, obviously, that's your main visibility. So when you're on the motorway or driving around, that's where, like, just anything just hits your windscreen, all sorts of dirt. Or even just bird pooing over all that. So obviously you need to keep on top of it and keep it clean so your visibility is clear.
Okay, Leon, thank you very much for showing us how to do the tyre pressure and also the windscreen wash each week. Now, guys, from our last video with Lee, the Garage Blackburn are rated the top 3 garages in Blackburn. Please, if you are in the Northwest region, or in Blackburn especially, please come to the garage in Blackburn where you can speak to our good friend here, Leon. Check the link in the description below, which will give you the garage's details, where you can call Leon or Lee and you can speak to them. Until next time, Leon, you got anything to say?
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.
Okay, lovely. Cheers. Thank you, Leon.